All right, y'all. Welcome to day 0 of SickWeek. Test day, tech day. It's really cold. So we had a heater blowing inside of SoccerMom all night. And all our temps are still super, super cold. Look at that air. Negative 1,920 feet. Let's see how the cold start is. Worked for me. It's cold. Anyways, welcome back to the KSR Performance and Fabrication YouTube channel. It's been a couple of crazy days getting everything ready to get here. Not for our stuff, but for everybody else that's been in the shop needing to fix broken stuff. And I haven't got to play with any of my stuff. Oh yeah, and we got a new backup camera. Haha, check that out. Guys, we're giving away this 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe. We already put a Pro Charger on it. We already put 22-inch wheels and new Ditno tires on it. We put bare brakes on it. We put a high stall Circle D torque converter in it. All you gotta do is go to winwithksrmerch.com. Get you some new KSR merch. We got a KSR simple, clean, carbon fiber inlay with a red outline. Some of you guys like red stuff. Some of you guys like blue stuff. So we did KSR, same shirt, carbon fiber, blue outline. That one's pretty awesome. Whenever we're at the track, we're always saying, bring in the boost. So we had to do a shirt, bring in the boost. And yeah, the gauge is pegged because you know that's where SoccerMom lives, with the boost gauge peg. And then my favorite, our girl Lucy needed a new shirt. You guys know her, you guys love her. More fire, less tire. You guys know when Lucy's on fire, she doesn't have any rear tires on her. So we had to get a new shirt for that. winwithksrmerch.com starts today, January 28th, ends February 28th, 2026. No purchase necessary. Get to the website, buy some stuff. What are you waiting for? All right, we're through tech, and look who made it. That's Eddy's truck. I don't know where he's hiding. We'll talk to him later. The whole thing looks pretty good. Sweet. Yeah, we got through tech. Headed back down to the trailer, and I think we're gonna try and make a test run today. I think we'll see what things are feeling like. It's gonna be a little tricky because the air is really good. Still negative 1,000 feet, almost 1,100 feet. That's what that gauge is right there. But let's get back to the trailer and see what happens. That's all we get? We don't even get a rev or nothing? How does the young guy have a car that sounds like it's from the 90s?
Old soul. Now I want to get rid of this stupid toilet bowl.
You know your steering wheel's on the wrong side, right?
Actually, it's on the right side.
Yay, Eddy made it. It looks good. That saved the day, huh?
Yeah.
They don't look
really
that.
with how
They don't
that
look
looks.
that bad.
I mean, it would look so much better with those wheels on the front.
Yeah, it
Like,
would.
5 lug in the
Right
rear.
height's not bad either.
6 lug.
I was worried the rear was going to be way lower.
You don't want to go look at the control arm angles. You really don't.
I saw they were angled up to the
you don't want
front.
to see the uppers.
But I mean, that's how it's going to end up. Oh, the uppers? How close
Well,
to
I'm gonna put my plan next is to put a drop spindle on it, but a different kind of drop. I got a plan. Don't worry.
Eddy had one plan and it didn't go so well.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I had a plan A. Plan A didn't work. That was plan B.
Plan B worked out.
Plan C is still at Summit Racing, so don't have that yet.
Okay. Cool. Well, we're gonna swap tires on this thing and go go try to make a run. And then hopefully if that goes well, we'll go back to the shop and we'll put the wideband in the giveaway Tahoe, which you guys hadn't seen that. Here's some information about our 2013 Pro Charge Tahoe we are giving away. Every $5 gets you an entry at winwithksrmerch.com. But yeah, it's cold. It's real cold, but they think they're gonna be able to get the track good enough to go send some cars down. Here we go. Well, you know we gotta do it. Colder air than we've ever raced in, probably with this car ever. So we need to do a two-step check. Man, I've been sitting here for 5 minutes in the car just trying to get the oils warm enough in it that I felt comfortable doing one. So it's time to see what happens. Not a two-step jack. Hold on. She's pulling quick. Like with all the quickness. Holy crap. I think that's the fastest she's spooled in a while.
What did it make? Yeah, it did spool pretty quick.
I think I saw 10.5, 11.
That sounds like what it's been leaving.
Yeah, well, I took 2 out of the dome, the launch dome, to try and achieve the same thing we had done before, because one of the things you can get in trouble with when the air is super good, you overpower the rest of your tune-up, your shock settings, the racetrack, all that stuff. So, no, I'm not farting. That's Will. Will working the ratcheting wrench over there.
Yeah, we'll put the seatbelts in backwards.
Dang it, Will!
Imagine that. At least I'm consistent.
Consistent doing it twice.
Consistently doing it wrong.
Oh shoot. Well, I think she's ready for a run. Oh, what do we got? That was 2 seconds to the chip. Like spooled, it hit the chip in 1 second, and when the RPM drops, the green line is RPM. So up, when the RPM drops, she's ready to launch. So that was 2 seconds. 2 seconds to spooled up, ready to go. I'm okay with that. So, yeah. Hopefully the track will tell us to get up there and make a run. Well, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm going to be the first pair out. So, I guess we're going to find out. Got them rolling in back here. Why is everybody so scared of the left lane? Oh well. I guess we'll see if we can make this happen. I forgot to put a GoPro in the car, but I'm going to give Will my phone, and so we'll have an outside perspective at least.
That have come to a Dragon Driver.
Swung for it. I mean, that wasn't a big swing, but probably the wind's bad. Queued her up, dialed it down, was trying to just go that same 472 that we did in Bradenton with the Christmas tree on the back. And 119, 312, 470, 154. I'm good with that. That's ultra competitive. The fastest pass in the class ever, I think, is a 464. I don't know what his average was. I'll have to go back and look at it. It was actually Devin Vanderhoof's. There's a few other guys that I think can run that, like the El Toro Mustang out of the Motion Raceworks camp. You know, they're buddies, but we want to try to beat them. And there's also a Mustang out of the Moore Chassis shop, which is the same shop that built Snot Rocket. So should be some good competition all week. If we can go 470 everywhere, you know, we'll maybe tickle it here and there, but and finish. Ideally, we're just trying to one and done every day like we always try and do, but
So the truck unfortunately dropped.
she rolled to a 774 at only 136. I didn't care about the reaction time because I didn't want to get hung out, and actually the guy surprisingly went in pretty quick. So we're loading this thing up, heading back to the shop to get the Tahoe wrapped up, and then be back for day one, which we'll show you guys some of the stuff that's going on at the shop as well. It's been an absolute zoo there because Bryant Goldstone brought his Hot Rod Drag Week winning Pro Mod to the shop after he went off the end of the track and tore the front end all up. So they mounted a new front end on it. So yeah, they might still be there, they might not. And then we've had a whole bunch of other people in and out. Sean Umshide, Justin Nunley. I think Boosted Boy Kyle is headed there sometime soon to get on the dyno. So we'll see what all happens with that. There's just stuff happening everywhere. So let's get over to the shop and see what's going on there, and then wrap this video up. Working on all kinds of stuff today. Obviously, it's a little loud in here right now. We'll come back in just a minute. So I had to put these super cool drone shots from Bill Hoskinson, better known as the Old Man's Garage on YouTube. He was one of the people hanging out with us tonight at the shop. And yeah, I just had to stick him in there because that's kind of a neat shot of just the drone flying around in the shop. And the kind of funny thing is he was going to fly the drone outside the shop, but we are too close to the airport and it would not take off. But he was able to fly it in the shop because of the metal roof, and the drone could not locate itself. So you can see we had a ton of people in the shop, a bunch of guys working on Bryant Goldstone's awesome, basically, I think it's an early or mid 50s based Pro Mod streetcar thing. And he ended up in the sand trap at the end of Gainesville Raceway. So they ended up building a new front end and all kinds of crazy stuff for it. And then I end up helping out with Kyle and Kyle and Brent. In just a minute, we're going to be on the dyno. Things have escalated. We're on the dyno with a 2JZ Civic. Maybe he's letting it warm up. Yeah, so this guy just randomly showed up the last couple of days. He's been hanging out with us. Hey, come here. Kitty. Come here. Fireballs! Woohoo! might be an omen. You're making big block power. 454.
454?
Yep. And that was 135 miles an hour when you stepped off.
That went up to 8,000.
Okay. Is that third?
Third, but second.
Oh, okay, the second. Okay. Yeah, so it'd be like a $190 in high gear.
Yeah,
Buck
well,
90.
we calculated it should be almost 200.
Time for a two-step check. Sounded like a lot. Wow.
Thanks, Dad.
No problem. I came to the wrong side of the car. I'm crying.
Man, thank you so much.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
What was that for boost and RPM?
11 and 5,000.
We got Jamie, we got Brent, we got Kyle, we got all the crew.
We got Kevin. We're all here.
That thing looks like it's ready to do it.
I could have swore I heard the gate fluttering while it was coming up. Like the waist, like it's dumping.
It's gonna ride out like that.
Is it? Okay. Cool.
What was there?
So it'll make more boost then.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it holds steady. I'm holding it where it's at.
Oh, okay.
What's our converter pressure?
It goes down to 2, so we probably need to cut the other dump off. I don't think with how quick it comes up, we don't need that other dump.
Cool. All right. Well, I think it was a pretty successful little dyno trip, eh?
Very successful. Thank you so much for letting us come by.
No problem.
It was a huge help.
We just had all kinds of stuff in here. You go win your class, Bryant goes and wins his class, and I'll go win my class. And like, it'll just be a good week.
Deal. We'll get together and have a pizza party for all the way.
There we go. Yeah. Or we just take all our trophies to Waffle House. Like,
always
that's
a
the
good-
big move.
Waffle House is always a good time.
That's right. I love this car. So this car used to have a 2J in it, and that car used to have a 4-cylinder in it. So, cool. Well, that's going to wrap up this video because now I got to go home and edit this. So, see you guys tomorrow for day 1 of SickWeek. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. There's the Tahoe over there. We're giving that away. Woo! All right, see you guys tomorrow.